po. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Ito po, kakain po ako ng mangga. I don't have pag-goong. I put only salt. Then, when I'm watching movie, I eat mango. Kain po. Di maasim. Indian mango. I forgot to buy bagoong. Today, I really want to eat mango. When I see there the outside, someone selling mango. Oh, wow! I like the mango. Then I buy it. I just arrived here at home. Then I buy mango. Watching TV and rest. Ang sarap. Bone. Ito kalabaw. Wait lang. Ito yung kalabaw dito, yan.
What are you even doing here? You know, there's something going down ever since noon. The last night Piper's there.
Ang sarap.
You just didn't have the last match here from our intelligence. You are. The plan was to waltz right into the city. You don't match forever, are you? You're gonna get kicked.
Kain po.
That's the idea. No, I need animal honey. Rhino. Pony.
Medyo maasim-asim yung
Soldiers there.
Carabao mango. Little bit sour the Carabao mango. But the Indian mango, this one Indian mango is not sour. Carabao mango is little bit sour.
Now if I stop you first, you have you blowing up cover.
Sarap.
Sergeant sounds right. What's this?
Ay, sarap. Ano?